Okay, it's screwed in. 4 screws on each side, and this is solid. Now, that's not going to be it though, but it's really solid now. This is held together really good. So next, we'll put this on, screw it in from the back side, 2 screws, and then we're going to put the other one on, same thing, 2 screws from the back side. And then I need to hone this hole out a little bit, because it's not going to be quite right. It's going to be a little bit off. I should have, if I would have checked beforehand. The rest will be okay because I'm going to do them. I already know they're fitting now. So the other thing I should mention is once I screwed this together, it was so tight, the bolts were really tight. So I had to get lock pliers to pull them out and then screw them. They're so tight I had to screw them out to get them out. You couldn't just pull them out because I had to screw them out with the threads. Okay, let's get the first one in, and then we'll be ready to put the bolts back in. Permanent. So this is important. If you ever were going to take this table apart, these are the steps you'd have to go through in reverse. Remove the bolts, then remove the side panel, then remove the screws, and then you can get to then the legs would come off. But I don't think I need to move it, so let's get this together.